Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter music by mood in the YouTube audio library. So you head over to youtube.com, and on the upper right hand side, you'll be able to click and go into and click the YouTube studio. And once you do that, you log into the YouTube studio. Inside the YouTube studio, you scroll down and you'll find the audio library. You click on that. And from here, you will see the music. So ensure that you're in the music tab. Click the search section here, and here you can filter by mood. You click in that and you have many options right here. So let's say I want something inspirational. I can click on that, then click on apply, and it will filter the mood of inspirational music for me. And that's it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
Once you're ready, you can clear it by clicking the X right here to clear them all, and you can always search for something else. Let's say I want to go into the calm section. I click on apply and I can filter by calm. And that's it. You find audio that you want, you listen it. If you like it, if you want to save it for later, you start it. If you want to download it, you hit the download button. And that's it. It will download onto your computer. And that's all there is to it, guys.